Hi, I'm Anitha Kunnaiah. So I'm a chartered accountant and a working professional. I have been or I had suffered with endometriosis since 2015 until 2023 October, and it was a very painful journey. I was very low in my confidence. I was tired taking the injections every month. I was tired with the bleeding it was causing, the pain it was causing. People started thinking that I'm making excuses. I'm not really in the pain. I'm just telling, or I'm making it look big, whether when it is not big. Everyone generalized it, but my husband supported. He was very understanding. We went to a lot of gynecs. I think I have been to all the top gynecs in Hyderabad for sure, and because we thought I might try to plan second baby, so I tried to give it a chance, and I've been taking injections, medicines, tablets, a regular medication. This was not helping me to have a peaceful life at all. In October 2023, my pain reached to an extent where high dose painkillers were also not working. I reached out to Anitha ma'am and she helped with the immediate hysterectomy. She has also given a lot of other medical help before we went to this option of hysterectomy. However, nothing worked. It was a very severe condition I was into, and ma'am has really taken care of it very well. She did the hysterectomy, and life after 1.5 year is complete change. Mine is a love marriage, though still I did not had a great married life after I got married. It's a lot of disruption due to my endometriosis, and my I got luckily I got conceived with my first child, with the first and only child, very easily. With the endometriosis, we thought it will be good, but no, it became worse. And now I can say, like, we are now I'm enjoying the phase of newly married couple, because it was not so easy at that time. So I really thank Anitha ma'am. She is doing a great job. She recognizes the pain the patient is going through, and she does all her best to help the patient to get relieved with the pain. And it's not that she suggested for an hysterectomy right away. It was all other kind of medications she tried to help me with, but my condition was very severe, wherein she did a robotic surgery, and I was able to recover within 1 month. I was able to walk within 3 days, and it was a very quick recovery. And I can say that the accuracy of the surgery was great. So thanks to Anitha ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me this life back. I am confident. I am having a very happy married life with me now, and yeah, things are very good. Thank you. And yeah, I really thank Yashoda to have such a great doctors with them and to provide such a great facility, because having doctor alone will not help. Having that infrastructure is also very important. And while I stayed in Yashoda, things were very good, and people are there on toes to help you and resolve if there are any issues. Like, we are humans, somewhere something might go up and down, but the thing is how you are acting to the complaint. So I felt the Yashoda is really doing a great job at providing the services to the patient with a very good technology with them and very good infrastructure with them, and having the best class doctors with Yashoda. Thank you, Yashoda.